Lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekumkhulule SABC eAuckland Park eGoli. Bukeli nazi ezinohlonze imini nje.
It's difficult not to infer they're hiding something. We've been shaking this tree for a while.
Liphindele enkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli icala lenkohlakalo nokushintshisana ngemali ngokungemthetho elibhekene nowabengu ngqongqoshe wezokuvikela nosomlomo weshayamthetho sikazwelonke uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula.
The most important person in our organization is the ANC member.
Uqalile namhlanje umhlangano wezithuku ezine wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC nalapho kuzobhungwa khona ngezihloko ezimbalwa okubalwa kuzo ukuthola uxhaso lwamanye amaqembu ukuze kuphasiswe isabelo mali esethulwa emasontweni ambalwa edlule.
Shoot to kill, Namaza, kill the poor, the farmer.
Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo isichithile isicelo se-AfriForum sokufuna ukwedlulisa isinqumo senkantolo yezokulingana nesathu ukucula kwecula langesikhathi sobandlululo elithi Kill the Boer akunayo inhlese yenzondo.
Apparently the owners they didn't finish up the money that the SARS wanted for Royal AM.
Kubukeka sengathi iqembu iRoyal AM seliphindele endalini ngemva kokuthi usomabhizinisi waseThekwini uRoy Modley ehlulekile ukukhokha isamba esibalule ezigidini ezingama-20 zamarandi sokuthenga leli qembu. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezinabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi-ke zihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure. Igama lami nginguDaud Ngula. Libuyele enkantolo namhlanje icala elibhekene nowayengusomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula emva kokuhlehliswa kwalo maphakathi noMasingane kulonyaka. uMapisa-Nqakula ubhekene nohlu lwamacala yi-12 aphathelene nenkohlakalo kanye nelokushintshiselana ngemali ngokungemthetho. Lezi insolo zamacala abhekene nawo asukela ngesikhathi esengungqongqoshe wezokuvikela.
Ekuqeni kwaleli cala ngoMasingana inkantolo yagunyaza ithuba uhlangothi lwabashushisi kanye nethimba labameli bommangalelwa ukuthi bakwazi ukuyihlela ngokwanele ngaphambi kokuqulwa kwalo njengoba abameli bakaNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula bebesafuna ingxenye ezithile zamadokodo aqukethwe ebufakazini benkantolo abangenabo phambi kwabo. U-Advocate Reginald Wills wethimba labameli bakaMapisa-Nqakula utshele inkantolo ukuthi ekuseni namhlanje bahlinzekwe okokuqala ngqa ngomqingo okwakufanele ngabe bawunikwa eqaleni kwecala.
Well, today we gathered a document, and it's an affidavit which was used in the course of this matter, and it describes a failed attempt to secure an arrest warrant. And that was central to the issue. Yes, it forms, well, we only got it today, so it's not in our papers. We were given it today, but it's part of AB, it's part of A. It should have been there from the start. Had it been there from the start, it would have been in our papers. We got it today.
U-Advocate Wills uthe indlela okwenza ngayo uhlangothi lombuso kubukeka sengathi kukhona abazama ukugodla ngemininingwane yaleli cala.
On the last occasion, tendering everything, then giving us B, and now going back on giving us C. Well, it's difficult not to infer they're hiding something. We've been shaking this tree for a while. We're discovering more and more, and I'm actually going to read something to you in a moment from this document that was given to us a short while ago.
uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula usolwa ngokuthi wahlomla ngezigidi zamarandi sengungqongqoshe wezokuvikela phakathi konyaka u-2016 kuya ku-2019 ethola imali nezipho ezibizayo kwayethola ithenda eminyangweni.
We are in receipt of a document.
Seqhubeka isicelo sebheli salo wayeyilungu lebhodi le-SAA uyakhe Kwinana enkantolo yemanje eMonti e-Eastern Cape. Warrant Officer Rodney Javen nokunguye wayekhona ngesikhathi kuboshwa Kwinana utshela inkantolo ukuthi ngesikhathi beyombopha wayememeza ethi yena angeke aboshwe enqaba ukuboshwa.
U-Warrant Officer Rodney Javen wejutshwele ukuba ayobopha uyakhe Kwinana uthi batshela ukuthi egcekeni lika Kwinana kukhona unogada kodwa uma befika abazange babafice.
But when we arrived at the place, there was no security at the premises. We found no security at the premises.
Before we proceed, do you know who was in the house?
When we entered the premises, we found Mr. Quinana. Mrs. Quinana. And the attorney that's also present today, Mrs. Panjwa. Am I pronouncing correct? Panjwa.
Uthi uma sekufanele bambophe yaqala ke lapho inkinga ethi yena angeke aboshwe.
The accused then became riotous and saying that she won't be arrested. She started shouting that she won't be arrested. And she grabbed the table where she was sitting at, and she grabbed the table. She said, "You won't take me, she won't." And she grabbed it, she won't be arrested. She was continuously shouting that and was taken from the room to the vehicle to be arrested. There was resistance from the accused, yes.
Isicelo seBailey siyaqhubeka.
Uqalile namhlanje umhlangano wezithuku ezine wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC nalapho kuzobhungwa khona ngezihloko ezimbalwa okubalwa kuzo ukuthola uxhaso lwamanye amaqembu ukuze kuphasiswe isabelomali esethulwa emasontweni ambalwa edlule.
The most important person in our organization is the ANC member. An ANC member is the foundation on which our movement is built.
Njengoba nje ANC bamba umhlangano wesigungu sayo esiphezulu eBoksburg nokuumhlangano ozobanjwa insuku ezine kudingidwa izinto okubalwa kuzo nesabelomali esethulwe ngungqongqoshe wezemali inogudongwana wengamele yona lenhlangano seRamaphosa ugcizelele ubumqoka bamalungu enhlanganweni. Ramaphosa kholelwe ekutheni yiwona amalungu ayinsika yeqembu.
The strength and the effectiveness of the ANC in the end relies on the commitment, on the conduct, the capability and the political consciousness of that member who we are giving a membership card today.
Nobhala jikelele ANC Fikile Mbalula uchaza ngokuthi amalungu azowasebenzisa kuphi lamakhadi obulungu.
The membership card will be used in ANC activities including meetings, general councils and conferences in order to improve our registration and credential processes.
Isimo sobudlelwano phakathi kwelakuleli neMelika kungenye yezinto ezodingidwa kulomhlangano. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni zeSABC.
Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo isichithile isicelo se-AfriForum sokufuna ukwedlulisa isinqumo senkantolo yezokulingana nesathu ukucula kweyiculo langesikhathi sobandlululo elithi Kill the Boer akunayo inhlese yenzondo.
To kill Yamaza, kill the poor, the farmer.
I-AfriForum yanikela inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ifuna ukwedlulisa isinqumo senkantolo yezokulingana nesahlonza ukuthi ukuculwa kweculo elithi Kill the Boer akunayo inhlese yenzondo.
The complaint that the first in punch song, open quote, kiss the Boer or kill the Boer or kiss the farmer, close quote, constitute hate speech and unfair discrimination is dismissed.
Iqembu iDemocratic Alliance lisamile kwelokuthi leli culo akufanele liculwe embuthanweni ngenxa yomlayezo eluqukethe.
Now, whether you refer to Boers as only being farmers, or when you refer to Boers as being white people or Afrikaans-speaking people, it doesn't matter. You should never call for the killing of any part of this nation of ours.
Kusenjalo iqembu iEFF lisamukele isinqumo senkantolo yomthethosisekelo.
This song must be sung. We found it is a struggle song. It was sang long before we were born. It was sang when land disposition started to happen in this country. And it must continue to sing. It's a song that says, kill the poor means we are fighting the system. Kill the system, the systematic system, which is apartheid, systematic system that seeks to exclude the majority of our people from economic activities, that excludes our people from land ownership. That's the system. If it's the system, that's why it's going to be feeling intimidated.
Isikhulu esiphezulu sePostbank uNikki Mbengasho sememezelo ukuthi sizokwengezwa ngezinyanga ezimbili isikhathi sokusebenza kwamakhadi esasa ukhola izibonelelo zikahulumeni. Lokhu kwenzela ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abantu abangaphezulu kwesigidi abangakaguqukela emakhadini amasha kwaPostbank amnyama bayaqhubeka nokuthola izibonelelo zabo.
We have extended the usage of the gold SASSA grant card that people are using, that it can be used for a further 2 months. That is April and May 2025, that people can continue to use their SASSA Gold Card to access their grants. This is now mainly, of course, to those beneficiaries who have not had the time to go and replace their gold card to the black card. It is quite important as well to note that the usage of the card and how it works remains the same.
Bukele sisathi ku ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
No assault took place in the presence. Daar was ook geen aanranding aan onze rapporteur nie. No assault was even reported to us.
Namhlanje inkantolo ilalela isicelo sabasolwa ababili uJacqueline Apollos kanye noStefano van Ryn ecaleni lokunyamalala kwentombazanyana uJocelyn Smith njengoba besola amaphoyisa ngokubashaya ngenhloso yokubaphoqa ukuba bavume icala. Bukele sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi Ubuye sengathi iqembu iRoyal ANC liphindele endalini ngemva kokuthi usomabhizinisi waseThekwini uRoy Moodley ehlulekile ukukhokha isamba isibalelwe ezigidini ezingama-20 zamarandi sokuthenga leli qembu. Bukele sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola kumjalo bazo. Namhlanje inkantolo ilalela isicelo sabasolwa ababili uJacqueline Apollos kanye noStefano van Ryn ecaleni lokunyamalala kwentombazanyana uJocelyn Smith njengoba besola amaphoyisa ngokubashaya ngenhloso yokubaphoqa ukuba bavume icala.
Izolongo umphenyi kuleli cala lika Jocelyn Smith uCaptain Wesley Lombard uchaze kabanzi ngokuthi uphenyo lwakhe lwaholela kanjani ekuboshweni kuka Smith, Apollos noVan Ryn. Lokhu kuza njengoba abasolwa Apollos noVan Ryn besola amaphoyisa ngokubashaya ukuze bavumele leli cala kusuka ngomhla zizine kuya ngomhla zinhlanu kuNdasa.
Was there any assault whatsoever perpetrated on any of the two accused?
No assault took place in the presence. Daar was ook geen aanranding aan onze rapporteur nie. No assault was even reported to us.
You did say that you saw that accused number one had an eye, a blue eye or swollen eye.
Dis reg jy dag, Mary? That's correct, my lord. No, my lord, I didn't inspect on the bodies to see whether there are any injuries.
uLombard uchithile ukuthi kukhona ukushaya okwenzeka phambi kwakhe ngaphandle kokuthi wabona umhuzuko esweni lika Apollos. Kanti ijaji Erasmus uphinde wabuza uLombard ukuthi egumbini okwakuvalelwe kulo abasolwa ngabe kukhona okungajwayelekile akubona.
Did you see any signs in the room, because you now told us there were only tables and chairs?
Leli cala liyaqhubeka.
Okhulubela iqembu umkhonto wesizwe uNhlamulo Ndlela usezichithile insolo zokuthi kuneqhekeko ngaphakathi eqenjini uphinde wachitha imbiko ethi unobhala jikelele weqembu uFloyd Shibambu uzosuswa esikhundleni sakhe.
Commander Dudu, as you had said, did express an apology publicly, and it was accepted by the SG, Floyd Shibambu. And there is no division in the party as people are purporting. I think more so than anything else, it's sensationalism, where people are actually hoping that the party will be divided. We're not divided as a party. We're united. This notion that there's going to be major changes and the SG is going to be removed, these are just pure speculations and individuals that are trying to sow division. As an organization, we're solid. We're focused on growing the organization.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uthi ukuphawula okwenziwe amanxusa kwamanye amazwe kube inkomba yokuthi amazwe amaningi emhlabeni asekuqaphilile ukuzibophezela kwelakulelo dabeni lokulwela amalungelo abantu nasekutheni lawuhlonipha umthetho wamazwe omhlaba.
Lamanxusa ahlangane nomengameli wakuleli njengoba eqala umsebenzi wawo khona kuleli. Lokhu kuza nje la kuleli libhekene nokugxekwa kanye nencindezelo evele ehhovisi likaMengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump. Lamanxusa abe namazwi amahle kuwengameli lakuleli.
Is currently a non-permanent member of the Security Council of the United Nations and is pledged to serve in defense of human rights as well as the seek of peace that is so needed in our world.
On the international stage, we both find ourselves at the helm of important discussions as we lead our respective G20 and G7 presidencies, and I know our Sherpas are discussing ways where we can work together and complement each other's efforts.
Okunye sameku uKiningizima Afrika ukuthi kuhlonishwa amalungelo abantu basePalestina elakuleli lathathela kwaIsrael lisenkantolo yamazwe omhlaba lifuna kuxazululwe inkinga ezikhungethe abantu basePalestina.
Our commitment to human rights defines our international or foreign policy. And this is who we are as South Africans.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile usephinde wagcizelela ukuthi umthetho wokubuyiswa komhlaba ngeke uholele ekudlweni komhlaba wabantu noma izinkampani ezizimele. uMashatile usho lokhu ngesikhathi ephendula imibuzo kumkhandlu wezifundazwe eParliament.
uMashatile uye waxinwa ngemibuzo malunga ngenkqubo kahulumente yokubuyiselwa kwemihlaba ethatha ixesha. Okukuza emva kokuba uMzantsi Afrika ejongene ngezikhondo zamehlo neMelika ngenxa yomthetho weli i-Expropriation Act.
What we are doing with the Expropriation Act is really to ensure redress, to ensure that those who were previously denied and land was taken away from them do have access to land in a legal manner.
uMashatile uthi urhulumente uza kubeka bucala into engaphaya kwezigidigidi ezili-11 zeerandi kule minyaka mithathu izayo ukuze kuqosheliswe izicelo zokubuyiselwa kwemihlaba.
There are about 5,600 old order claims that are yet to be settled from 1998, which means it's 27 years that is outstanding.
We agree with you that we do need to move to a situation where we can now move in with new claims.
Udlulise wathi nenkqubo yokufunqula amafama asakhasayo iza kuxhaswa ngezigidigidi ezintathu zeerandi kule minyaka mithathu izayo. Kusenjalo uMashatile uphinde wabhengeza kuba urhulumente uza kuchitha $60 ezigidigidi zeerandi kule minyaka mithathu izayo ekuphuculeni iziseko ezingundoqo zamanzi. Kwiindaba ze-SABC, Dingobulelani Philip eParlamente.
Sekuvela ukuthi kungenzeka kuqale phansi ukuthengiswa kweRoyal AM emva kokuchithwa kwesiqhumama saseThekwini uRoy Moodley obese kuzwakela ukuthi uyena obesephumelele ukuthenga leli iqembu likaShone Mkhize elifakwe endayelini umqoqi wentela iSARS. Ngokwembiko yakamumva uYeko Venter weSARS okunguye owengamela uhlelo lokuthengiswa kweqembu uthola imininingwane ehlonze ukuthi uMoodley akavumelekile ukuba ngumnikazi omusha weRoyal AM. Intatheli yezimidlalo ke emsakazweni uKhozi FM kuleko dladla uyalandela ke lolu daba.
There is a slight change because apparently the owners they didn't finish up the money that SARS wanted for Royal AM, so that was a slight delay, and then because of the attention of the story and the stories that were published, the SARS got under pressure and they decided to no, maybe they must cut off this deal because the guy was supposed to pay the balance around 10 o'clock and he didn't manage to pay, and he was supposed to finalize everything. But based on the information that we got, and he also had an interview with one of the publications in the where he did reveal that he did pay 35 million and he will meet the club tomorrow. So that, as it stands right now, it seems like the deal has not gone through, and the SARS is now put the club on sale again.
Bukela umshasho wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Bukela guqa izindaba zehora lokuqala ozakwethu bayezwa nezindaba ngolimi lwesiNdebele uMagamanxa ihora lesihlanu kanti thina ke sizobeka ke nezinye izindaba uma libumbana ihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa. Bukele sale kahle.